Hi, this is Aaron from Sibling Rivalry. Today is the 15th of December, which means it's the 15th day of Advent. So let's get started with this Lego Advent calendar. Alright, so like I said, it's the 15th of Advent, 15th of December, 15th day. I'm gonna open this up and see what we got and try not to tear the box, which seems to be getting harder. I feel like the structural integrity of the box is coming apart. Oh, it's a Christmas tree. I said that yesterday that I think there's a Christmas tree in here, so that's fitting. Hey Duncan, you want up? Hey, we got Duncan here. Love you, buddy. Oh, your breath smells like garbage. I love you, but oh boy. That's stanky. It's stanky. Okay, so this looks pretty simple. Oh, neat. The topper is a little tiny minifig. That's pretty cool. There's two of them actually, so I guess I got an extra one because a tree doesn't have two tops. Well, at least a Christmas tree doesn't. So, a Tannenbaum. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mom. Tannenbaum. Okay, and we're just kind of building this this way so that it's got like everyone's offset by 90 degrees. And try and square this up. Hey, you like Lego? Do you want me to get you a Duplo? Yeah? You want some Duplo? Okay, we'll get you some Duplo. Let me get an Olaf. Olaf Duplo. You okay there, buddy? I think he's excited. For Christmas. You see your girlfriend Juno? Yeah? You give her a big kiss? I'm not your girlfriend. Maybe, I'll take a kiss. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Try not to be heartbroken. Okay, let me do the same thing here. I guess there's only one way to... Oh, no. I could do it this way. I'm trying to think of, ways to stagger this. And if you're wondering what that noise is in the background, I've got the 3D printer running. I'm trying out a new firmware. So if you are interested, I'm going to be probably be doing a video on that and showing you, well, not a new firmware, but a new slicer software. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We'll post that. We might link it somewhere around here when we upload that. And yeah, if you didn't know that we had a 3D printer already, check out our link somewhere around here, and we'll have a bunch of the 3D printer videos linked, and you can enjoy it there. So there's a Christmas tree. I kind of just went a little crazy with the bottom there. I like having a stem on the Christmas tree personally. I think it looks more like an actual Christmas tree. So I know normally a Christmas tree stem isn't translucent, but there we go. It's kind of cute. Kind of wish that these, I know they've got like the double wide ones of these. I kind of wish they used double wide ones for the bottom. That would look nicer in my opinion, because you want a nice taper to the Christmas tree. You don't have like a uniform volume Christmas tree. It's kind of weird. It's like a Tannenbaum cylinder, which sounds like something from a sci-fi series. All right, so we'll set this up here, I guess. And we can move the presents inside now that there's a tree. Lady's holding up the kid for his money, if you didn't see that. The dog is over by the tree, being a dog, and peeing on the tree probably. And his dinner's over there. So, yeah, so far we're doing pretty good. Don't know what we'll do with this. extra one. It's pretty cool though, seeing like the little mini figure. So let's see if we can get that. Oh, I'm trying to do this without dropping it like the fidget spinner. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's tiny, very tiny, but pretty freaking awesome. All right, so that about covers it for this video. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll be posting that tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed the build. I know I did. Things are really coming together here, I'm realizing. And yeah, if you like, please give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you aren't subscribed, we would appreciate your subscription. And if you are subscribed, make sure that you have rung the bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new content, which is daily until the 24th, well, through the 24th, I should say, as well as Mondays for regular content and Thursdays for bonus content. So thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and see you in the next one.